Imagine if your money could travel the internet the same way memes do. No bank, no permission, no, please wait 3 to 5 business days. Just boom, sent. That's Bitcoin. Now don't worry, this isn't one of those explanations where your brain melts after 10 seconds. We're keeping this simple. Coffee break, simple. So, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is digital money, but not the kind that lives inside a bank app controlled by some big building with glass walls. Bitcoin lives on the internet, and nobody owns it. No government, no bank, no CEO in a suit deciding what happens next. Think of Bitcoin like a shared notebook. This notebook is public. Anyone can look at it. Inside the notebook, every single Bitcoin transaction is written down. Alex sent Sam 1 Bitcoin. Maria sent John 0.01 Bitcoin. Once something is written, it can't be erased or changed. Ever. No whiteout, no delete button. That notebook is called the blockchain. Now you might ask, okay, but who writes in the notebook? Good question. Instead of one person, thousands of computers around the world check every transaction. If they all agree it's legit, it gets added. If someone tries to cheat, like spending the same Bitcoin twice, the network basically says, "Nice try, buddy," and rejects it. That's why Bitcoin is secure. Let's use a real-life example. Imagine you and your friends are playing Monopoly. One friend is the banker. Sounds fine, until that friend suddenly starts printing extra money and buying everything. Game over. Friendship ruined. Bitcoin removes the banker. Everyone watches everyone. No cheating. No secret money printer in the basement. But wait, you might say, can't Bitcoin be copied? It's digital. You can copy a photo, you can copy a song, but you can't copy Bitcoin. Why? Because ownership is proven by math. Very complicated math. But you don't need to understand it. Just know this. Only the person with the correct digital key can spend their Bitcoin. Lose the key? The Bitcoin is gone, forever. Harsh, but fair. Now let's talk about why Bitcoin even matters. Picture sending money to another country using a bank. Fees. Forms. Waiting. Stress. Maybe a prayer. With Bitcoin, you can send value to anyone, anywhere in the world, in minutes. No middleman. No borders. No awkward phone calls. Also, Bitcoin has a limit. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. Not 21 million per year. Not per country. Ever. That's it. So while governments can print more money whenever they feel like it, Bitcoin is like, nah, I'm good. That's why people call it digital gold. Gold is valuable because it's rare. Bitcoin is valuable for the same reason, except it fits in your pocket and doesn't weigh a thing. Is Bitcoin perfect? No. Is it volatile? Yes. Is it confusing at first? Definitely. But at its core, Bitcoin is simple. It's money for the internet. Money without permission. Money without borders. And whether it becomes the future of finance or just the greatest financial experiment ever, one thing's for sure. Bitcoin changed the rules of the game.